Welcome back to my channel. It's K.Renae. Thank you so much for tuning in. I definitely appreciate you guys for that. I know it's been a while since I've posted here on my YouTube channel, but we're going to change that because I do want to take you guys behind the scenes in the creative process of how I create my products. So that's what this YouTube channel is going to mainly be about, the behind the scenes of the K.Renae collection. If you guys don't already know, I am the owner, creator, the brand ambassador, the everything of the K.Renae collection. And the K.Renae collection is made up of handmade jewelry and just basically me incorporating my art into fashion, into wearable art and fashion. But mainly I create wearable art, whether it's jewelry or just like revamping something or painting on something, or you know, anything of that nature. So I basically use wardrobe and anything that you can mainly wear. I use that as my canvas and I create magic. So I have a couple of jackets here. Y'all know it's getting cold. Well, it's not getting cold. It's already cold. So I stocked up on some jackets, on some vintage army fatigue jackets. This one is a long one. This is a half one. I went ahead and cut that one. This right here is a long one. Then we have like an authentic leather jacket that I'm going to paint on the back of. Then here we have a long London fog trench coat. And then we have a couple of more army fatigue jackets. Also, we have some purses that I have some ideas for. So I'll show you guys what I want to do with those, just to, you know, spice them up a little bit. I have two more on this side, and then I also have a pair of shoes that I want to do something to, because I feel like they're super cute, but they can be even cuter. So yeah, y'all, I want to take y'all on a journey. It's gonna take a little minute to, you know, get all of these done, but I definitely want to show you guys my creative process. So I'm gonna start out with this one, and one of the hardest things to figure out is if I want to, what I want to paint on them. Like, first of all, usually I do paint on them, and then this time I changed my mind about painting on it. Then I was just kind of going back and forth, because instead of painting on it, I was thinking about putting like statement pins on it. You know how sometimes people feel I usually see like denim jackets. I see leather jackets sometimes, but for the most part, you know how guys, it's like a 80s thing. It was like really big in the 80s where people would put pins all over like their denim jackets and their leather jackets. So I was thinking about creating some handmade pins, statement pins to put on the jackets, but then I also wanted to paint on them. So I did a poll on my Instagram page, and I asked some of my followers and supporters if what they think, what I should do. Should I paint on them or should I put pins? Because I was just so torn. And mostly everyone said both of them. So I think, you know, that was my cue right there to go ahead and incorporate both ideas on one jacket. Now with all of these jackets, I probably won't do that. I don't know, it just depends on how I feel, but I do know that I am, right now I'm attracted to like the minimalist, what is it, abstract look. So it's this like sketch of a woman that I'm going to paint on the back of this denim jacket, and then also I'm going to put a couple of pins on them. So we're going to start out with doing that, and then we're going to go from there. And of course, I know this is not going to be a one-day process. I'll probably finish this in one day, and then I'll let it air dry and all of that, and then I'll just continue to work on the other ones, and I'll continue to upload as we go. But let's go ahead and get started with this jacket. I am so excited. It's actually a thrifted jacket, and it doesn't have a name, brand, or anything on here, but I can definitely tell that it's authentic leather. I'm not sure what type of leather it is, but it's definitely authentic. It's pretty heavy. It has a nice wear on it, but it's still really good quality leather. I wish I can fit it. I can't fit it, so I'm definitely going to be selling it. It fits to me like a small. I just recently had a baby, so I gained a lot of weight. So right now I probably wear like a large, so it fits like a small. Also, I have broad shoulders, so that could be a reason why I feel like it doesn't fit me either. But yeah, it's definitely going to be sold. I feel like it'll be super cute with some cute thigh-high boots or something like that. You know, it's so cold right now, so you know, you need a leather jacket. This is like definitely an essential item to be in your closet. But I just feel like it just needs a little razzle dazzle. It's a little boring, you know. So I like the button placements. I like how it's made. It's super cute. It reminds me of a Michael Jackson feel. That's what it gives me. It's giving Michael Jackson, baby. It's giving Michael, or maybe Janet. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started with this jacket though. So excited. Okay guys, so I just finished out my sketch. You can barely see it because I had to use a pencil. I forgot my white sketch pencil, like my my chalk pencil. So I'm gonna follow the lines as best I can. I may end up freestyling as well because I can barely see what I'm doing. But yeah, I'll just kind of speed the process up as I go. But I'm also gonna try to go along the lines as best I can. Oh, I didn't know it was like this. I'm using Angelus brand. Hopefully it focuses. Shell pink color, and that's leather paint. And then I'm going to use this cream color. I thought those two colors would look dope together. Although it has like the paintbrush right here, I'm going to use my own paintbrush only because I need like a really small study one. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then yeah, I'll speed it up so that you guys can see me as I create. So stay tuned.